Hey everybody, I got a couple more knives for you today. Today we're looking at a pair of switchblades that I have. They're made by Magnum, which is a division of Boker knives. These are made in Germany. They have a aluminum handle, pocket clip back here. They are a switchblade or automatic, whatever you want to call. And they have this little lock thing right here. I don't know if you can see it. Black piece that you slide back. That releases the button so you can depress it now. That black plastic piece slid in the way so the button can be depressed, like a safety almost. Press button, and it goes. This is a plain edge Tanto. This one, just it's a 420 stainless steel bead blasted blade. It's a 3 1/4 inch blade. It's a good size. Feels good in the hand. It is, as most automatic or switchblade knives are, it is a button lock. So you push the same button that you use to deploy it, you push that, hold it, and it closes. And it's got a nice little snap to it. Other one, same thing. This is just a black handle. Same little lock up here. This is the serrated Tanto version with the black Teflon coat on the blade, the non-reflective coat. It's overall a pretty cool knife. It's illegal in almost every state in the United States, I believe. So something just to put in my collection. Relatively cheap. I got these for $35, but they can range $35, $40, around there. Don't quote me on that though. Pretty cool if you just want a cheap automatic knife. Okay, there you go.